All right, here we go. Manitoba Beef producers, Anna Boris. Sandwiches are beautiful. We got a smash burger. We're going to start with this. Let's go, because this thing is ready to cook.
Yeah, it is. It's smoking hot.
It's happening.
Smash burgers are for sure the thing right now.
We just like throwing some beef around.
That's
tonight.
right. The beauty of the smash burger, there's so many things we could say. These guys are little 3-ounce patties. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle.
3 ounces. So that would be typically like less beef than your average burger.
That's right. Typically you might get a 1/4 pound patty. This is slightly smaller because they're going to be nice and thin. So as you can see, I've already got it on. I'm going to flip it over right away because we kind of get this. There we go.
So it's got to be like a super, super hot.
That's right. It's got to be smoking hot. You can turn your fan on. Ours is on just so it's going to take off that steam and smoke. This is the beauty of the smash.
Here we go.
This tool I found online. You're going to smash as thin as you can. And then you just kind of give it a little. There you go. Nice and thin there.
So really like an economical kind of burger to make. This is like a really awesome sort of diner burger, right? Like.
That's right.
Yeah.
And that's the beauty of them. They are thin. They're economical. You can double up if you want.
I think I want.
Yes, right. So we're gonna get that little surface and then flip it over quickly and then do that smash.
These really aren't gonna take any time at all to cook.
That's right.
Yeah, okay.
And then you just give it that little smear.
Smash and smear.
There you go. You get it nice. And then make sure you season well. You really can't over season these. That's a little trick. Because this is where all of our seasoning is coming from.
Right.
You're not going to be seasoning anything else on the
later.
burger, so
okay,
all your seasoning is here.
Salt and pepper, that's basically what you do?
Just salt and pepper.
Okay.
That's right.
And you like cooking them on this, like this griddle, because it kind of keeps all of that, you want that fat in there, right?
That's right. As that fat comes out, and that's why we only smash it once. If you keep smashing it, that fat is just going to keep coming out. You smash it once, it's going to cook in that fat, and it's going to get that nice brown crust underneath.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So
now we're going to move over to our sauce.
We can leave this for a shade.
Yeah, we're going to leave it for just a hot minute.
Mm-hmm.
This is just mayo, ketchup, mustard, relish. Everything you've already got in your fridge, it's all going in.
Nothing complicated, nothing, too out of the ordinary.
No, that's right.
Okay. I like that.
You're just going to mix that together. And that is your burger sauce.
Okay, that's it. So we getting ready to, are we almost at the point where we want to?
Yeah, we're going to be flipping this right away.
Okay.
So
I can stir this up a little bit more.
Sure, if you want to stir that.
Sure. Yeah.
And then we're going to take a look at these guys. We want to see that nice brown. There you go.
So what was that? Like 2 minutes, 3 minutes?
Yeah, it's probably 2 minutes or so. And I mean, the thinner you go, the quicker it's going to be. We're also just going to throw a little bit of onion on this griddle just to soften them up, just a touch.
Yeah.
I mean, I like a ton of onion, but
same.
We'll keep it a little conservative for today. I'm just going to put this
Is this technically is not like what's a ton of onions? I'm curious. Like how many?
Oh, like
the whole thing?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's not a real first date kind of thing.
Well, it depends. If you're both having it, you're all good.
Hey, there you go.
You're good. Fine.
So these are just about done. That's how quick these guys take.
It's not a bad thing.
That's right.
That means because I'm gonna taste this. If it's all right with you, I think I'd like to give this a sample if possible. But first, we have a little bit more work in quotation marks to do. So we got these beautiful brioche buns. Is that what we're rocking here?
The bun. I'm a bun snob when it comes to burgers.
Okay, tell us more.
I like a soft brioche bun. I just got this at my local grocery store. They make them in-house. They're fresh. They got a little bit of sweetness to them. I like the ratio of bread to burger. It's not too bready.
Okay.
So they're going to be nice and squishy. So if you want to just put on some of our sauce on top and bottom, I'm going to go grab the cheese from the fridge.
Oh gosh, cheese. I forgot about that for a sec. But you can't really have a smash burger, I don't think, unless there's cheese on it, correct? I mean, you don't have to.
And not just any cheese, but cheese in a package. We've got these beautiful cheddar cheese slices. I'm gonna put the onion right on top of the burger.
I mean, that just smells ridiculous.
And then, yeah, and then we'll lay the cheese right on top.
So then just basically enough time to sort of soften up that cheese.
That's right. That's a common mistake, is putting the cheese on too soon, that it just melts right off. So you want maybe 30, 45 seconds for the cheese just to kind of get melty, and then it goes straight onto your burger.
Okay, so not quite time. So can we start putting the rest of this on, or would you suggest waiting? I mean,
let's throw the lettuce on the bottom.
Okay.
As much as you want, just measure with your heart. That's what I like to say.
I love that. All right, and then that's
and then we're gonna do. Let's throw this patty on there. Okay, get one patty on. We'll do one just for now.
The angels are singing. I'll just.
And then we will turn this guy off.
And now, yes.
Yep. As many again.
Yep.
I know you're Ukrainian, so we're gonna pile those pickles on there.
Yep. Ogierki, it's cebolla.
There you go.
Oh, all right. Do you have something to talk about for a second while I do this?
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure.
Here we go.
So this obviously is a family favorite. Who doesn't love a burger? This is a new way to maybe do burgers instead of your typical, half-pound patty. It's nice and thin. Look at,
Keep talking.
I like to say if a burger requires at least 2 to 3 napkins, that's what makes it a good burger. So, I mean, I would say that's
4, 5 napkins.
Yeah, absolutely.
Anna, absolutely delicious. I'm not going to say much more because, I think this says it all.
Okay,
Korean Reuben. When we come back on Great Taste of Manitoba, don't go away.
We appreciate you, whether you're new to this channel or a long-time viewer. If you'd like to join us in the kitchen regularly and meet farm families across Manitoba, please subscribe. We share new videos every Sunday.